Personally, I think the bone is the cleanest colorway, because that's like, you know, it's the bone. I sold that pair for 500. You know what I'm saying? Then I had the earth browns, sold that thing 400. Like, you think I'm gonna spend 400 or 500 on this pair of slides? You must be out of your goddamn mind. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video. Yeah, man, we back today with another video, man. So first and foremost, if y'all are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button. Your boy just got the But yeah, man, we back with another video. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel, man. And yeah, let's get into today's video. As I told you in the last video, it's gonna be a lot of Yeezys dropping. You know what I'm saying? There's dropping. They already dropped. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, today we have a slide to the left, a slide to the right. Cha-cha real smooth. This video, we have the Yeezy slides right here, man. As you guys see, they got some oil stains on top of the box. I had this shoe for a minute. I never wore it, but I had it for a minute and they restocked it. So perfect time to bring the review, right? So yeah, man, Yeezy just released the slides. They released 3 colorways. They released the pure, the brown, and the resin colorway. Resin's kind of like a tan colorway. That's the only colorway that released before. And I think it's a clean colorway. Personally, I think the bone is the cleanest colorway, because that's like, you know, it's the bone. I sold that pair for 500. You know what I'm saying? Then I had the earth browns, sold that thing 400. Like, you think I'm gonna spend 400 or 500 on this pair of slides? You must be out of your goddamn mind. And you know what I'm saying? I might just sell this one too. Like, I've been keeping it on the side. I might just ship it out, you feel me? Yeah, like how I did that. Oh, I like how I did that. But I'm here to bring you guys a review. I'm tripping, you know, the intro been too long. Like I said, they released them. People been going crazy over them. Everybody want Yeezy slides now for some reason. Like, everybody and their moms want Yeezy slides. Like, girls want them, guys want them. They be like, I don't see nobody with them, so I want to have them. Where are you looking, bro? Like, I know mad people that got Yeezy slides. They probably just not wearing them outside. Like, you've been outside all spring, winter, and fall in New York. You think you're gonna see Yeezy slides? Now go to Cali, go to Miami, you gonna see Yeezy slides. Like, I don't see nobody with them. Yeah, come on, man. People have these joints. But I'm not gonna lie, they alright, they alright. First things first though, let's get into the review. We have the box. As you guys can see, it says Yeezy slide made by Adidas. This one is made in China, size 9, Yeezy slide, resin, it's the colorway. Retail on this pair before, it was $55. They jumped it up to $60, I believe. So, but I mean, it's still cool. $60 for some slides, not bad if you get them at retail. Nike Benassi slides is like 30 cash. And yeah, I have a pair of Kith slides. That's the one that I'll be rocking in the summer. Like Kith Tommy Hilfiger collab, not bad. Kind of look like Gucci, but it's navy, white, and red. So yeah, man, that's my designer slide. Pay like 80 cash for that. So I'm spending a bag on slides. Get into the unboxing. We just slide open the box. It's a slide open box. All Yeezy boxes are slide open. So yeah, let's just slide it open. And here we have them, man. Here we have them. Straight out the box. First things first though, they do come with this paper that comes in all other Yeezys. It came with a tag too. I don't know why the tag wasn't even attached, but they come with this size 9 tag. And hey, man, put that back in the box, close it, and we have the slides right here. Bang bang, bang bang. So, you know, first look at them. I mean, I looked at them for a good time. You know what I'm saying? I looked at them for a good amount of time, and they are comfortable. I put them on. You know, like I had these for almost a year, so I put them on my feet, and I didn't understock them though. So I'm still gonna sell these joints. But like I said, it's cool. It's cool. They look alright on feet. Only big thing is like how bulky they are, and they have the shark teeth thing going on at the bottom. But without further ado, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little B-roll. I might have to keep this pair because I don't know why the color is kind of like fading. I have to get a new pair to see like if it's me, my pair, or like that's just how these joints come. But I don't know. I'm really debating on wearing them. But let's cut to a B-roll. give you guys a quick little look on all the details and stuff, and then come back. I'll break down the colorway. Ain't not really much. I'm just gonna give y'all like the size breakdown and material, how comfort. So yeah, let's just cut to the video, man. Alrighty, so coming back, here's the slides. Quick colorway breakdown. These are tan. Are they tan? I don't know. They call it resin. In my opinion, this is tan. If it's not tan, I'm truly colorblind, because I'm already partially colorblind. But if this is not tan, I don't know, man. Alright, that was just, you know, colorway done. Sizing on these, I would suggest going true to size. Let me just put them on again real quick, you know, just to remind myself. Okay, pretty hard to put on. Yeah, man, just go true to size. They don't have any half sizes, so my recommendation would be going up half a size, because you're gonna be wearing socks. I would hope you wear socks with them if you're going outside, because unless you're a girl and you got your toes done, I will hope you'll be wearing your socks, you feel me? So I would suggest going true to size on them. But if they don't have your size, let's say you are 8.5, just grab a 9. So yeah, do that for me, because they don't have half sizes. They only have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's no 6.5, no 7.5, no 8.5, none of that. So I would suggest going up half a size if they don't have your size. But if you do true size, just go true size. Now boom, sizing out the way. Comfort, man. That might be the best feature on these. I ain't gonna lie, like, I don't even know what technology this is. This is just plain old foam. But it's a lot of foam, you feel me? It's a lot of foam. So your foot is on a lot of foam, and you gonna be comfortable, man. These mad comfortable, mad bouncy. Ain't nothing else really. You just macking on, you know, you just macking with slides. So ain't nothing too crazy. So you know what I'm saying? It's just slides, bro. It's just slides. And now I'm gonna jump into an on foot, give y'all on foot, and I'm come back, you know, break down the resell predictions and give y'all my final opinions on how I feel on these and if I think they're stylish or not, man. So yeah, let's cut to the on feet. So coming back from the on feet, I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little resell prediction on these right here. I personally think that right now the market is pretty low for them. I'm saying like for a, you know, sizes are like low 200s. When people get pairs in from Yeezy Supply and Adidas, hopefully drop some more to, what would they be if they drop some more? Like hundreds, like high hundreds, you know, mid hundreds, and I'll probably be picking them up at that price. These right now they can sell for $250, easy, very easy. You can find somebody who wants them. $250, gone. I would probably try to head crack. That is me. $275. I need the extra gas money, but yeah, man, really good profit if you gain them at retail. Would I suggest paying $250 for them? No. Would I suggest paying over $200 for them? No. You know what I'm saying? If you were trying to resell them, I would suggest picking them up when they're under $100, under $200, and then hopefully flipping them for like $250. But like I said, I did sell pairs for $400, $500, so I don't know. So yeah, man, that pretty much breaks down the resell. Would you hold on to them if you have them? I would say yeah. I would say yeah. Just hold on to them, and hopefully prices go up to like $400 or $500, and you know what I'm saying, lit. Now wrapping up with my final opinion on these slides right here. Do I think that they're stylish? It's different. It's different. So when they first came out, I'm like, yo, they mad ugly, but I ain't gonna lie, they kind of grew on me because I see more people wear them, and that's not like a thing where it's just like you know, you see, oh, you want to be like them, because I never really wore them like that. But just looking down at it from you know, on feet, just from the aerial view down, like it looks nice, man. Nothing too spectacular about it. If they were a fake pair, I'll rock the fake pair. Ain't nobody gonna know, bro. At the end of the day, it slides, bro. So I got mine from Adidas last year, so I might just rock them. But I don't see anybody making fake Yeezy slides. Like, if they do, it's booth, like it's OD booth. But at the end of the day, it's just slides, man. Can't really get too freaky with slides. Well, you can get freaky with slides, but you can't get too freaky with slides, if you know what I'm saying, man. Because I know a lot of people that get freaky with slides, man. Some Gucci flip-flops, you feel me? Like Yeezy flip-flops, you feel me? But that wraps up this video. I'm really debating on keeping them or not. Y'all should let me know down below if I should keep them or should I just sell them, man. So comment that down below. Comment down below if you got any pairs. And it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out, man. I'm back, you feel me? And I'm out. Make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. And we out.